So well done. So hopefully at this point you have written your question 5 answer. You've gone back and had a look at the key literacy objectives, and you have identified a what went well and an EBI. So what you're now going to do is you are now going to do a short amount of dirt time. This should only be taking you a maximum of 6 or 7 minutes. And when you do your dirt, you will be going back and altering the slide that you wrote your question 5 answer on, and you will be using purple font so I can see that you have made those dirt changes. So for whatever target you highlighted the first time, this slide tells you how to meet your target. So for example, on the left-hand side where it says evaluative answer target bank, you might have highlighted number 1, start with I agree with the answer to an extent. In your answer, you might have highlighted that as your EBI. If you'd highlighted that in red as your EBI, you would now look at the same number target on this sheet, number 1, and it will tell you how to meet your target. So if that had been your target, now looking at this box, you can see it says add the I agree with the answer to an extent at the start. And all you would need to do is go back and add that sentence in purple font to the start of your answer. If your target had been, if you'd identified the EBI, you need 5 or 6 P sentences, so that would be number 3. You could look at number 3 this time and you can see I need to write more P sentences, so I have 5 or 6. So you can see what you've done. When you've done your target for this side, then you would move over to the key literacy objectives target bank and you would make sure that you have done that. So maybe you had not used a wide range of punctuation, used accurately. Well, if you look at number 3 now, it says make sure you've used some sentences with commas and apostrophes and you've used speech marks for your quotes. So you can see exactly what you need to do to meet that target. So as long as you are looking at the right number target the first time and how to meet the same number target on here, it will tell you exactly what you need to do. When you've done that, you have completed lesson 1, so well done, and then you can move on to lesson 2 for the second part of this week. Good work, year 10.